Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator 3 power 15 minus 3 power 12. Now we have 15 here. I can express this as product of 3 times 5. I have 3 power 3 times 5 minus here we have 3 power 12. This 12 I can express it as product of 3 times 4. I have 3 power 3 times 4. Now, what we are going to do will be to consider this identity. If you have a power n times n, this equals a to the power of n or to the power of n. So applying that here and here, I will have 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 5 minus 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 4. From here, we need to find the value of 3 to the power of 3. That is 3 times 3 times 3. And this is 27 to the power of 5 minus 3 times 3 times 3. This is 27 to the power of 4. We have 5 here, we have 4 here. I can express this 5 as summation of 4 and 1. I have 27 to the power of 4 plus 1 minus 27 to the power of 4. Right here, if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So I'm going to have 27 power 4 times 27 power 1 minus 27 power 4. From here, 27 power 4 here, 27 power 4 here, I can factor that out. I have 27 power 4 times this divided by 27 power 4. I have 27 minus 27 power 4 divided 27 power 4. I have 1. From here, I will have 27 power 4 times 27 minus 1. This is 26. We need to find the value of 27 power 4 times 26. Now 27 is 3 power 3, so I can have 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 times 26. Now, if you have a power n equals a power n times m. 3 times 4, this is 12. I have 3 power 12 times 26. From here, I express 12 as summation of 10 and 2. I have 3 power 10 plus 2 times 26. Now, if you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power n. So this, we are going to have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 26. We need to find the value of 3 power 10. So we can simply have 3 power 10 as 3 power 5 times 2 times 3 power 2, that is 9 times 26. From here, we can express this as 3 power 5 power 2 times 9 times 26. So what is 3 power 5? 3 power 5 is 3 into 5 places, that is 243 power 2 times 9 times 26. So this simply means 243 times 243. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1, 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17. So we have 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. We add up. This is 9, 4. This is 20. 0 carry over 2 add here. 19. 9 carry over 1 add here. 594, 9. So we have 594, 9. This is 594, 9 times 9 times 26. How do we multiply this? Let's multiply 594, 9 times 9. So we have 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36 plus 8, 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, we have 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45. 45 plus 8, 53. Then we still have times 26. So we need to multiply this. 531,441 times 26. So we start by multiplying 6 times 1, that is 6. 6 times 4, that is 24. 4 carry over 2. 6 times 4 again, that is 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 6 carry over 2. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, 18. 8 carry over 1. Now 6 times 5, that is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So we consider 2. 2 times 1, you have 2. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times 4 again, we have 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, we have 6. And 2 times 5, we have 10. So let me copy it down here so that you see it well. This is 3188646 plus we have 2882610. So this is it. So we need to add this up. So if this is 6, this is 6, this is 14, 4 carry over 1. Then this is 17, that is 16 plus 1, that is 17, 7 carry over 1. Add here, 11, 1 carry over 1, add here. This becomes 8, this is 1, 3. So the final answer is simply 13,807,466. So this is 13,807,466 with our calculator. So this becomes our answer with our calculator, guys. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you.